How to start affiliate marketing for beginners using Clickbank for free. Start affiliate marketing without website and with no money. Step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I will cover some other keywords that you might also search for. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Clickbank affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing tutorial. Start affiliate marketing. Start affiliate marketing without website. Start affiliate marketing with no money. Start affiliate marketing step by step. How to start affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing for free. How to start affiliate marketing 2020. How to start affiliate marketing without website. How to start affiliate marketing without money. How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. See in the description for the 3 amazing internet courses that will make your affiliate marketing business into 6 to 7 figures income. Stick on to this video until the end, and please give your like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.
Hey guys, today's video I want to show you how you can do affiliate marketing using Clickbank products without a website. Let's say, for example, you don't have any money for a website, which I understand. There are other ways that you can go about making money with affiliate marketing. So the first thing I would highly suggest you do is to start a YouTube channel, just like I've done here, okay? On your YouTube channel, you're going to post videos pretty much every day if you can. If you can't do it every day, then go ahead and give it maybe like 2 or 3 times a week. Just really try and push for frequency. The more you do it, the better your chances are of hitting that viral video and getting seen by more and more people. Okay, so it's all a numbers game. The more you do it, also the better you'll get at it. All right, so that's first, YouTube. And the way that works is you pick a niche that you want to get involved in. So if you're in health, you would do maybe a health journey YouTube channel where you are, you know, documenting your journey losing weight, or maybe a friend's journey or something like that. Otherwise, if you are already fit, then you can help people to become fit by showing them different exercises, maybe giving them some kind of health tips for different foods that they should be eating, something like that. In every niche, there's different possibilities, so just, you know, decide on whatever niche you want to be involved in, and then make those videos as often as you can. And in the description, let me show you here one of my videos. So in the description of each video, pause this, you're going to have these affiliate links, all right? And when someone clicks on those links, decides to buy, you're going to get your commission. You don't have to have a website to do this, all right? It's pretty easy to do. It's pretty free. Yeah, it's completely free. You can also use any affiliate offer over on Clickbank. So you go to clickbank.com, and depending on which niche you decide to get into, they have a different product available for you in those niches. So health, betting, as seen on TV, languages, and so on and so forth. It's there for you. So it doesn't really matter whatever you get into, there's probably going to be a product available for you. Additionally, if you can't find the product that you would want to promote, you can go to google.com and type in your niche, all right, niche, and then plus affiliate program, okay? And that's going to bring up different affiliate programs based on whatever niche that you decide to get into. Okay, so that is one way, YouTube. The other way you could do it is with banner ads. You can use somebody else's website. You just need to get a banner made. You can go to buyselads.com to find those placements. If you want to have someone make a banner for you, you could use Fiverr. Fiverr.com is a really cheap place where freelancers, you know, where freelancers are, you can use their services to get different things done. You know, they have a wide variety of different jobs that they can perform for you. So that's Fiverr.com. So you get your banner made for whatever it is that you're promoting, and sometimes these offers will have a JV page or affiliate page, and that affiliate page will give you different banners, different images, different creatives that you can use, so you don't have to go out and buy anything or get anything made. So once you have your banner, you come to buyselads.com, you'll log in, you'll go to their marketplace, and you'll find a website that has, well, this depends on your budget now, because this is going to be a paid method. If the website has low impressions, okay, this one 1.85 million, that's a lot of impressions. if you go down to 185K impressions, now it's obviously going to be cheaper because there's less people coming through there. You can find a 720 by 180 banner at 180, something like that. So you have the banner on the top of most websites, and there's one at the bottom as well. That's basically the one that you really want. And if you can't get that one, I wouldn't suggest going about doing the banner ads, okay? And this is why it's a good idea to have your own website, all right? All right, so once you decided on which website you want to advertise on, it's very simple. Just go in there and buy it. Most of these are clicks per or cost per impressions. So you'll get maybe you'll have to pay $5 for every 1,000 impressions, something like that. That seems to be the norm for buyselads.com. All right, and the last thing we will talk about is Quora. You can go to Quora, answer people's questions for them, and inside your answers, you can just throw in some affiliate links. I'm pretty sure that is definitely possible to do. Okay, so this one links out to blogspot.com. Other people's will link out to other ones. Okay, so I mean that's one way to do it right there. But the best way to do it is to go ahead and get yourself a YouTube channel, make videos every single day, and put your affiliate links inside of the description. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you any money. It's free, and you don't need to have a website. So that's all fine and juicy and stuff. You just get yourself a nice little product over here on Clickbank, and then make your videos. Now this is going to take a while because earned traffic, or free traffic, or earned traffic is the long game, as they're starting to say nowadays. You have to be willing to wait for that payoff. Okay, so I'm making all these videos right now. Probably not going to see any returns, not anything big. You know, I've gotten a couple $1,000s through affiliate marketing without a website this year, so that's great. But some people it might be longer, some people it might be shorter. I've heard stories of people making $8,000, $10,000 their first month with affiliate marketing on YouTube. You just have to get a viral video, and you know people will. You have to funnel those people to click that link. I believe marketing is going to be all about getting people to take the next step. So if you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like it, you can dislike it. That's cool too. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Peace.